Mariposa. Fly your banana.
So that there's more where the pictures of Mama's taken.
Mommy, my banana's gonna actually fly in a minute as soon as I finish it.
Fly your banana, girl. Fly it.
Guys.
Haye, 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 ha. Haye, 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 ha.
Another says that in the book says.
She flew her banana right to Naomi's feet. Perfect landing. Oh, look at Naomi. Look how enthralled, enthused she is. She's so happy that her sister just landed the banana right at her feet. Look at. Look at her.
Freak.
Look at her face. Oh, look at her face. Oh, look at her face. Look at that. Little sweet thing.
Hey, Julian.
Look, she's holding her sister. She's holding her sister. It was the only way I could get her to be involved. You have to pee. Okay. She has to pee. So we must let her go pee.